So it's roughly noon, and we're generating 3.6 amps from our solar panel, and we see the power bank is roughly at 12.3 volts. So we're floating above what the batteries, each laptop battery is roughly 12 volts ideally. The refrigerator is currently off in the off cycle, so maximum power is going to the batteries. Maximum power 3.64, and we hear the fan just kicked on. Okay, so the fan kicked on, and 3.7 amps coming in. You see the voltage of the power bank dropped to 12.1. So we are currently generating more energy than we're consuming. The refrigerator generally can be expected. We're at a very low setting, so we can see the refrigerator in this setting, probably 2.5 amps. We're starting to get ice here. We're at noon. We've already been operating roughly 2 hours. Our lunch. Hey, lunch. I have yet to eat lunch. Well, sorry, I gotta go. Well, it's lunchtime, noon, and our system's still operating. Our batteries are being recharged from yesterday. Man, would I love to have a big power station. But the small one seems to work. Best part is I made it myself.